Hi guys, Yash here. Hope you're staying safe and staying healthy. I'm here to talk about the various online grocery shopping platforms available out there and how you can make the best use of them based on my experience during this entire lockdown period. And at the end, I'll give a small tip, so make sure you see the entire video. So, the first platform I'm going to talk about is the Big Basket app. Now, Big Basket offers products of various categories like fruits and vegetables, food grains, oils, masala, bakery, eggs, grooming appliances, and many more. Big Basket offers free delivery for orders above 1200 rupees. Now, one of the things which I really like about Big Basket is the Big Basket cookbook, where several recipes are mentioned which you can make using the ingredients, and the BB lifestyle blogs which are updated on regular basis. So these initiatives are really good in terms of value addition to the consumer. Now, Big Basket also has membership plans, which has priority delivery slots, so one can see if they are suitable according to their shopping needs. Now, another feature which I really like about Big Basket is their feature to notify a consumer when an out of stock product becomes available again. One of the drawbacks about Big Basket is that they do not offer green vegetables like spinach, coriander, methi. So, the second platform we're going to talk about is the Grofers app. Now, similar to Big Basket, Grofers also offers a whole variety of products. Grofers gives free delivery for orders above 1250 rupees. Although the order amount varies from time to time, so one can confirm that while checking out the order. Grofers also has a Smart Bachat Club where they offer priority delivery slots, discounted products. So one can check that out and see if it is suitable according to their shopping needs. Grofers also has a recipe corner where several recipes are mentioned and one can make them from the comfort of their homes. Now, one of the drawbacks which Grofers has is that it does not offer fruits and vegetables, although they had started out recently, but I believe they have discontinued again. Now, the third platform we're going to talk about is the Star Quick app, which is by Star Bazaar. Now, Star Quick app also offers products of various categories, including green vegetables, and I have attached a small video which shows how you can avail the best rewards and offers on your order. Now, the fourth platform we're going to talk about is DMart, which I'm sure is a name that resonates in every household. Now, DMart also offers a huge variety of products and a handful of fruits and vegetables too. To place an order in DMart, you need a minimum amount of 1000 rupees and you have two delivery options. The first delivery option is a self pickup option, and the second is a home delivery option. Now, in the self pickup, you have to take the delivery of the order from a DMart ready store. I would recommend selecting this option if you have a DMart ready store nearby your house. And the second delivery option is the home delivery, where you have to pay 49 rupees or 3% of the total order value, whichever is higher. I hope I was able to provide you some insights on the various online grocery shopping platforms available out there. And as I mentioned at the start of the video, some of the tips which I would like to give you is that before placing any order, always look at their homepage of the application, because usually they have all the offers listed on the various debit cards, credit cards, or the modes of payment. So have a look at them. And the second tip which I would like to give is that in case of any grievance or any issue with the order, apart from the in-app help support, you can always reach out to them or through their Twitter handle. All the applications have a very dedicated and responsive Twitter team to handle such issues. So you can always reach out to them. So I hope this proves to be useful for your future grocery shopping. Thanks.